Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rutty here. So today is going to be a quick box braids video. For you guys that don't know, I have a regular 9 to 5 job as an IT analyst, and I also braid hair on the side. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, please continue watching. Today I'm going to be using the Expression Caniculon extensions in the color P, which is purple. I've already cut and stretched them into 4 equal parts because I'm going to be making back length medium-sized box braids. And for the entire hair, I used about 2 packs of extensions. Over here, my braiding essentials, you have the hair brush, the detangling brush, which saves me so much time when I'm detangling the client's hair, and also the braiding extensions. You have the scissors for cutting, the clips, the shine and jam conditioning extra hold gel, and you also have the holder for holding the gel, and the tail comb which you use to make your cuts, and also the mousse for shiny and extra hold of the extensions when you're done braiding the hair. So here I'm just going to show you guys how I start off braiding the hair. I just make a rough cut, nothing too straight or defined, and then I take the shine and jam and apply it over that line, and then I go in again with the comb and try to get a more defined and precise line. And as you see, the shine and jam really helps to give me defined lines, and it also puts the hair in place as I go over that line again with the comb. So guys, as you can see, I am quite the perfectionist because I like to have very straight defined lines. So I go over the hair a couple of times with the comb to give me that very straight, sharp look before I go in again and start to braid the hair. Now I take the hair clips to clip away the hair that I'm not going to be making, to keep it from coming in contact with the line that I've just made. And then I make one square piece because it's going to be box braid. So I cut it in a square pattern, and then I apply the shine and jam on the hair that I've just parted now. And then I take the extensions. I take the piece that I will be needing for the single braid. As I mentioned, it's going to be a medium-sized box braids. So I'm going to take what is going to cover that part of the hair that I have just parted. So now I apply the extensions and I just attach it to the client's hair, and I attach it slowly but firmly, and then I start to braid the hair, and then I start to braid it in a method called tucking. I try to tuck the hair. Tucking means when you're trying to hide the client's hair in between the braids so that it's not showing up and there are less flyaways when you're braiding the hair. So now I'm just braiding, and as I'm going, I'm trying to put the extensions in on top of the hair, which enables me to tuck the hair in between the client's hair, in between the extensions. And as I braid, I also from time to time apply a small amount of the shine and jam because this keeps the hair smooth and also helps me to braid effectively and faster to be able to hide the hair as well. Alright, so I just keep on braiding the hair, adding bits of shine and jam as I go. If anyone was wondering, I never took classes on how to braid hair. It was just something that I always knew how to do. I remember growing up, my mom would buy me dolls and I would always braid their hair. And I guess that's how you can say that I taught myself how to braid hair, and you can call it a talent, I guess. Back at home, my aunt had a home salon. I would help out when she was braiding her clients' hair. Yeah, I guess that's how I got into braiding. All right, so this is the end result of the single braid that I made, and now I will just show you the rest of the hair that I'm braiding. I don't know who says this, but people usually say that if you have a talent, why not use it to make extra cash when you can, which is exactly what I did. As you see on your screen, I do have an Instagram business page, which is at Rutty_braids. Please check me out. That's where I post all my previous works that I've done on my previous clients. And this is also where clients can reach out to me. They can send me DMs to make hair appointments. So if you know anyone in Budapest, Hungary, or if you are in Budapest, Hungary, and you like to get your hair braided, please send me a DM and reach out to me and we can set something up. And don't forget to like and follow my business page. Thank you. Here is the finished product. If you guys like to see more of these types of videos on my channel where I do box braids, twist, faux locks and things like that, please let me know by leaving a comment down below in the comments section. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, smash that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you're always notified when I upload a new video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.